Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pryfickle here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. Today we have featured a beautiful bad boy vehicle. It's a lifted Rocky Ridge Jeep Wrangler Rubicon featured in Mojito. What a beautiful color. It's got a 3-inch Rocky Ridge lift kit. It's got the hand forged painted bumpers, fog lights, the oversized Mickey Thompson tires. Just a beautiful vehicle. This has the automatic transmission with a 3.6 liter V6. It's got the molded running boards, leather, cold weather package, which gives you a remote start, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. This also, as you can see, has the painted fender flares and painted top. It also has the towing package, which gives you the hitch and the wiring for 4-pin and 7-pin. Also has the rear backup camera. Just one of my favorite colors, if not my favorite color of the Wrangler. That sparkle this color puts out. Just a beautiful vehicle, and being it's based on a 3-inch Rocky Ridge lift kit, which Rocky Ridge is the tried and true and trusted name when it comes to lifted vehicles. There's your front and rear capabilities for your four-wheel drive, heated seats, heated steering wheel, touchscreen radio. This also has a sway bar disconnect. This allows you to lock up the front and rear, so you have a rock track gear. So if you're a true off-roader, that would be really important to you. Again, this is stock number 28474T Mojito Green Unlimited Jeep Wrangler Rubicon with the 3-inch Rocky Ridge lift kit. If you have a vehicle, any questions on this beautiful vehicle or on any beautiful vehicle you've seen online or here on our lot, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfickle from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. As always, thank you for the opportunity. Have a beautiful day.